Last year, Americans bought 68 million turkeys between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Now, I'd say that roast turkey is the most anticipated, if not challenging, main course of the year. So Jack is going to tell us which turkey is worth cooking for the holiday table.
Bridget, you need a good recipe, but there's nothing you can do if you buy a bad turkey.
True.
And we tasted 8 turkeys, and 4 of them we would not recommend.
Really?
Yeah, and I've got a couple of them here for you, unfortunately.
Can't wait.
We did find 4 that we love. Tuck in.
All right.
You've got some dark meat as well as some white meat. The biggest problems were that some of the brands were both dry and wet. That was because a lot of the turkeys are what they call pre-basted.
Okay.
Which is, of course, they're not brushing anything on the outside. They're injecting broth, chemicals, salt, and all these other things into the turkey. It makes it mushy. It makes it soft. So the first thing is texture. You want it to be moist, but not soggy and not mushy. These have all been salted for 24 hours, the ones that were not treated with salt. Air dried them all, then we roasted them all per our recipe. And so the cooking is exactly the same here. We found that when we added our own salt, we ended up with basically the same salt level. So we didn't really have any problems that the injected ones or the pre-basted were too salty. You just don't want to obviously brine or salt those before you cook them. The big problem was that they just didn't have a great texture. The second problem is some of them had some off flavors. So they're injecting things into the turkey, and in some cases it said, well, is this fishy that they injected or something else?
That tastes like a tuna fish sandwich.
Oh, well,
without the bread.
That's probably not a good thing.
No.
So you've been sampling. Anything that's immediately standing out to you that's good or bad?
This one, very moist, but I'm trying to figure out if it's moist or wet, which, you know, there is a fine line between the two. This one, the dark meat, almost flavorless. Really having a hard time actually differentiating it between it and the breast meat here.
You know, the dark meat really should have 3, 4, 5 times the amount of fat that is in the white meat. And if they bred the turkey so that there's very little fat in the entire bird, you get very little flavor.
This particular one, actually I think this might be my favorite because the dark meat, it almost has a metallic flavor to it that is quite pleasant. Like,
yeah, I would say minerally. How does that sound? But
I like that better.
But you know, the dark meat does have those metallic or minerally notes that are gamey. I mean, that's what the dark meat should have. And that for people who don't like that, that's what that breast meat is there for.
This is my favorite. This is my second, third, and fourth are tied at the bottom. So this is my favorite.
You chose the winner.
Yay!
This is Mary's Free Range. It has what I would call old-fashioned turkey flavor.
It does. It tastes like Thanksgiving should.
Yes, absolutely the best choice.
All right.
I'm surprised, Bridget. As much as I'm excited about that you got the winner, the Butterball.
Tank.
That was at the very bottom of the rankings.
It's a little mushy here on the dark meat, but I like how seasoned it is.
Well, it is well seasoned.
Well, hopefully these two cancel out each other a little bit. So this
is the Genio.
Okay.
This was the top rated of the pre-basted turkeys. We didn't
Interesting.
like it
Yeah.
that much, but if you wanted to go that route,
Sure.
and didn't want to salt or brine the bird, we thought this was the best option. Still not our favorite by far, but
it's kind of nondescript.
And I'm surprised, this is Plainville Farms.
Oh.
This is from upstate New York. It's the runner-up. The winner, Mary's, is from California.
Nope, still don't like it.
You sure? I can't make you keep on eating that?
Well, there you go. The best turkey, according to America's Test Kitchen and me, is Mary's Free Range non-GMO verified turkey. And the price is $2.59 per pound.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.